Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube, dedicated to help you lose weight permanently. I'm Coach Patrick, #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day. Today, we're gonna be doing a beginner arm workout specifically to target the triceps. Transformers, let's go. All right guys, we're gonna get started with some arm swings. 2, 1, and let's warm up the shoulders, open up the chest. When you're swinging your arms, make sure your palms are up, your arms are nice and high, and you're opening the chest. Get a nice stretch over here. Standing up nice and tall. Nice work, guys. Good, give yourself a big hug, and then open up wide. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna get started with our first exercise. We're gonna start with our left leg forward, our right leg back. I'm going to lean forward, shoulders down and back, and I'm gonna drive my elbows up. And let's go, 30 seconds. Good. Single arm dumbbell rows. As you pull up, drive the elbow up nice and high, control on the way down. Nice work. Pretend like you're gonna elbow someone behind you. Drive those elbows up. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we'll go ahead and switch sides. Right leg forward this time. Big step forward, big step back. I'm going to lean forward, and then I'm gonna start to pull again. 2, 1, and let's go. And every time you pull the dumbbell out, I want you to breathe out, breathe in. Good, nice work. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, we just finished our first set. We got 3 more. Next, we're gonna go back to those arm swings, open up the chest again. 2, 1, and let's go. We're gonna do this for 30 seconds. Good, especially if you're sitting down on a desk all day, we tend to be hunched over, our chest tends to be contracted, and we're in a really bad posture. So this is gonna go ahead and open up that chest. Okay, get a nice stretch in the chest and the shoulders. Good, and start to warm up those arms a little more. Good, 3, 2, 1, perfect. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna grab our dumbbell again. Big step forward, big step back, and then we're gonna pull the dumbbells up. And let's go. Nice work, you guys. Good. Continue to keep the shoulders back, continue to keep the core engaged. Find that balance, keep driving those elbows up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we'll go ahead and switch sides. Big step forward, big step back, and let's drive the elbows up again. In 2, 1, and let's go, 30 seconds. Okay, continue to breathe. Work those arms. Try not to rush through it. You want to go strong on the way up, slow on the way down. Strong on the way up, slow on the way down. Halfway there, guys. Good work. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, let's put the dumbbell back down. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. We're going back to our arm swings. 3, 2, 1. All right, arm swings, 30 seconds. Good, this time I want you to open up the chest a little bit more. Try to swing those arms all the way back while keeping your palms up. Good, when you give yourself a hug, palm down. Palm up, palm down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, we're gonna start with our right arm again. Big step forward, big step back, dumbbell rows in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Good. Pretend like you're lifting 50 pounds, high tension on the way up, control on the way down. Good. If you find the dumbbell that you're using is pretty easy, don't be afraid to lift a little bit heavier with good form. Good. If it doesn't challenge you, it's not going to change you. So make sure your workout, every single workout is challenging enough. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, go ahead and switch sides. Big step forward, big step back, lean forward, drive the elbows up. Same thing in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start. 30 seconds. Good. Keep leaning forward, keep that core engaged. Big pull. Nice work, halfway there. Five seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Go ahead and take a 30-second break. Grab some water, and I'll see you in about 25 seconds. All right, let's get ready for our next exercise. You're gonna need 2 dumbbells for this. We're gonna be doing some skull crushers, elbows up nice and high, and then you can extend the arms. 30 seconds, let's go. Good. These are called skull crushers for a reason. You wanna watch your forehead. Careful not to hit yourself in the head. Keep those elbows up, pointing to the ceiling, and you're gonna squeeze the triceps at the top. Every time you squeeze, you're gonna breathe out. Good work. It's a great exercise for toning up the back of the arms. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. We're gonna put the dumbbells down. We're gonna do some recline punches coming up. You're going to lean back here, and then you're gonna give me some hard punches. 2, 1, and let's go. Good, punch as fast as you can. Punch as hard as you can. Feel those arms working, feel the triceps working. Okay, you also feel your core working as well. Every time you punch, you're gonna breathe out. Keep it going, 15 seconds. Last 10 seconds, we'll start to go a little quicker. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good, we're gonna be doing some knee push-up planks. You're gonna be in a push-up position. We're gonna drop down into a plank position and back into a push-up position. 30 seconds, and let's go. And as you're doing this, you wanna make sure your hands are directly underneath the shoulders. You're keeping your core tight, you're keeping your shoulders nice and strong the whole time. You're gonna come up with the right arm, down with the left. Up with the left, down with the right. Make sure you're alternating sides. Again, you're gonna feel the triceps working. You're gonna feel your core working. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice job. All right, we're gonna flip over for our second set. We got our skull crushers again. In 3, 2, 1, and let's go ahead with our skull crushers. Halfway there, guys, 15 seconds. You're gonna feel those triceps burning. If you need to use a lighter dumbbell, you can. Always listen to your body, guys. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's place the dumbbells down. We're gonna sit up into our V-sit position for our recline punches coming up in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Punch, punch. Punch with the right, punch with the left. Give me some hard punches. As you punch, you're gonna breathe out. Good, oh yeah, feel those triceps working, guys. Halfway there. Last 10 seconds, I want you to lean back and then go a little quicker. Lean back, punch. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good job. We're gonna flip over. Push-up planks coming up. On your knees, bum down into a plank position, back into a push-up. 30 seconds, let's go. Good. Every time you push up, you're gonna breathe out. Breathe in, coming down. Breathe out, coming up. Make sure you're alternating arms. All right, and that's time. We got our third set coming up. Let's go ahead and grab your dumbbells. "30 seconds, and let's go. Skull crushers. Okay, these 30 seconds starting to roll by pretty quick here. Try your best to follow along. Good, but go at your own pace. If you need to use a heavier weight, go ahead and grab a heavier weight. If you need to use a lighter dumbbell, all good, use a lighter dumbbell. But the most important part is to stay consistent with your workouts. Good, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. All right, back to our recline punches. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Recline punches, here we go. Okay, this is our second last exercise of this video. Workout goes by quickly. Let's make every single second count. Feel those arms working, feel the core working. You feel a little bit of your shoulders working as well. 10 seconds, lean back, hard punches. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Let's work last exercise of the workout video. We're gonna be going back into our push-up planks. Give me everything you got. In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Good. Work those arms, work those triceps. Make sure you're alternating arms. Up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Less than 10 seconds. Almost there. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca, and sign up for a free 7-day personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.